Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about how to do burpees for beginners in step-by-step progressions along with the common mistakes to be avoided to prevent injury. So let's have a look. A burpee is the combination of 4 exercises: jump, squat, plank and push-up. It's an intense full body exercise that challenges and builds your cardiovascular endurance. It's one of the best cardio exercises to burn fat as it's very exhausting and demanding. Now let's have a look at the progressions. Squat down, maintaining a straight back, stepping into a plank and back up to the starting position. This will give you a feel of all the movements involved in a burpee. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. If you don't squat, you end up rounding your back, which can cause lower back issues. Now once you get used to this movement, step back simultaneously while squatting down to make the motion fluent. Now you'll squat down and kick back into a plank, increasing the intensity, keeping your core tight, and hop back up to the standing position. Keeping your hands very wide will flare out your elbows, and it can cause shoulder discomfort, especially when done at high intensity. So it's better to place your hands shoulder width apart or between the knees. Now you'll hop down, kick back, do a push-up and hop back up. Keep your core tight and don't let your hips sag down. Once you get comfortable with this, you can then kick out and do the push-up simultaneously, making the movement smooth. Moving on to the final step, you can now perform the full motion burpee. When doing it with speed, allow the chest to only slightly touch the ground and explode up with your back working like a hinge. Now this will definitely increase your heart rate and challenge your cardio capacity, where you'll start burning calories. This usually happens when you sag your hips while doing the push-up. Maybe when you're tired and try to lift up using the upper body. This can cause lower back problems. Lifting your body using the knees can cause pain in the knee joints and further complications. So make sure you use your core and explode up on your feet. With steady progress, you can then move on to advanced variations like tuck jump burpees and challenge yourself further. So guys, do hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, leave a comment below for workouts you'd like to see next, and I'll see you next time.